तो ये है आज का घमासान. This is the bout in the blue corner. I would say Maratha Royals, the heavyweight team, and in the red corner we have the Triumph Knights. Match number 15.
It's a congested table. 3 spots still up for grabs. It is the Triumph Knights who won the toss and chosen to field first.
तो ये है दोनों ही टीमों का अगर हम लाइनअप देखें. Siddesh Ladek captaining the side, Sahil, Sachin, Chinmay. Very good lineup. This is the Triumph Knights.
Yes, a big game for the Triumphs. Only because they are in a situation where they're going to push themselves to win this game to stay in the league.
369 runs for Siddesh in the T20 Mumbai career. Sahil Zadhav with him has had a decent run, 211. He's a very, very competitive and an attractive left-handed batter. We have Sylvester D'Souza, who was really very good for the Triumph Knights in the last match. Nicely flicks it. What a shot! Clipped it. Goes up nicely over the infield, and it will run over to the boundary. 4 runs. Sahil gets one. It's up in the air. It's up in the air, and it's caught. Sylvester ने जाल बिछाया और शिकार को फंसाया. बड़ा शिकार.
It's a very good dismissal, well thought out dismissal.
23 पर पहला विकेट. साहिल जादव आउट ऑन 15. और नंबर 3 पर आए हैं सचिन.
That's over. That fielder that covers. This time down the ground. 1 bounce. Was a little short, and he's punished as a welcome Paul Valthati to the com box.
ओह जस्ट अबाउट मिस किया. मारना चाहते थे मिड ऑफ के. यहाँ से एक अच्छा छलांग लगाया, बट एक लकी बाउंड्री है.
That's gone. Clear edge. यहाँ कमेंट्री बॉक्स तक वो एज सुनाई दिया. एंड हितेश पिछले डिलीवरी पे जो हाफ चांस बना था उसे अब कन्वर्ट किया है. एंड ही गेट्स रिड ऑफ सचिन.
Lamenting he's returning to the pavilion. Sachin Yadav out for 7 is 47 for 2.
जिनकी भी बात चल रही थी, चिन्मय सुथार पिछले सीजन 3 पे आए थे. ही इज वॉक्ड इन एट नंबर 4.
ओ यहाँ पर चलता किया सागर मिश्रा ने. सबसे बड़े मछली को सिद्धेश लाड जो स्पिनर्स के विरुद्ध बहुत ही शानदार बल्लेबाजी कर दे, यहाँ पर उनको चकित किया. स्टम्प्ड आउट.
अगेन सिद्धेश लाड. He'll have to go. 24 run, effective 24, and Royals 47 for 3. नंबर 5 पे बल्लेबाजी करने आए हैं अयाज खान. And that is going to trickle down to the boundary. वहाँ एफर्ट अच्छी थी मिड ऑफ पर.
Slot में गेंद बैठक है, and that is a yes back super 6. लेफ्ट हैंडर भी है जो अटैकिंग मोड में है. बैक फुट टप्पा पहचाना और चौका हो जाएगा. He's gone. Mishra has the habit of picking up wickets, and that's exactly what he's done. Ayaz was in the mood of going big. The Royals in trouble now. 70 for 4. Ayaz dismissed for 18. The youngster comes in at number 6, Umbangar. And once again, he's cleaned him up. Cleaned him up. Can you believe it? First ball. The batters are shocked by what's happening over here, Sishi.
Umbangar out for 2, 73 for 5. Maxwell Swaminathan comes in at 7.
बट यहाँ पर मैक्सवेल ने गेंद को उठा दिया और भेज दिया है सीमा रेशा बाहर. बहुत ही उम्दा सिक्सर ये.
Otherwise the wicket is good to score, but we have told the boys to keep it tight, and hopefully they do it, and we will manage to get them all out before 160.
अच्छी बल्लेबाजी यहाँ पर कर रहे मैक्सवेल स्वामीनाथन.
और ये गेंद, this is connected well. The left arm spinner comes in down the track. How well has he connected? Good enough. Looks like it's Chinmay Suthar. Yes, he scored 32. A fighting knock. Tough conditions. He stood there, saved the inning for the Royals, but his job's done. 137 for 6. Retired out Chinmay Suthar, 32 of 26.
तुषार देशपांडे पिछले मैच के नायक. This is huge. जो फील्डर लॉन्ग ऑन पे खड़ा था वो अपनी जगह से हिला तक नहीं. This one, there is a fielder and he doesn't have to move either. अब यहाँ पे Maxwell Swaminathan has to go. Sylvester D'Souza gets his second breakthrough.
And this one straight home delivery, so to speak.
Maxwell Swaminathan goes for 36 of 29. It's 145 for 7. नए बल्लेबाज रोहन राजे मराठा रॉयल्स के जय वीरू अब साथ में हैं क्योंकि पिछले मैच में दोनों ने एक कमाल की साझेदारी की थी.
Taking a chance, he's skied it and he is gone.
73 रन की साझेदारी पिछले मैच में. इस मैच में एक भी रन नहीं, 0 पे आउट हुए रोहन राजे.
Raje got Makran bowled D'Souza 0.
इरफान उमर इस बार स्लैश किया है. Is that taken? Hold on a sec. ऐसा लगा था that it was a clean catch, लेकिन यहाँ पे अब थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन होगा.
Satisfied the fingers are underneath the ball.
It's going to be out. Just looking at that replay multiple times.
And Tushar Deshpande goes for 8.
He swings, he completely misses, and he's been given out. That is a fifer. Panja khola hai wahan Sylvester D'Souza ne. He thanks the Almighty, the first bowler this tournament in the season to take 5 wickets. That is a stellar effort.
5 for 21, and what is impressive is he has 14 dot balls in that spell, which means on a surface like this where batsmen should be looking for ones and twos, he's managed to curtail that and restrict them to just, in 14 balls he hasn't given a single.
But the Triumph Knights have done extremely well, exceedingly well, to restrict the Royals to 152.
अखिल हेरवटकर, वेदांत मुरकर दोनों ही यहाँ पर ठंडे से ही रहे इस टूर्नामेंट में, तो इनका इस पावर प्ले में चलना बहुत अनिवार्य है उनके चांसेस के लिए.
इरफान उमर बेहतरीन गेंदबाज और 7 विकेट है इनके. बढ़िया अंदाज में ऑफ द हिप्स, क्लासिक स्टफ.
गेंद को आगे रखा बट उतनी काबिले तारीफ अंदाज से वो एक्स्ट्रा कवर ड्राइव जड़ा वेदांत मुरकर.
Top edge, and that's a wicket. उमेर ने कर दिया कमाल, और जो बाउंस पिछले ओवर में मिला था विकेट से, बहुत अच्छा परचेस निकाला.
जी हाँ, वहाँ पर जल्दबाजी कर बैठे वेदांत मुरकर, और यही तो खासियत है इरफान उमेर की. मुरकर एक और लो स्कोर पर आउट. 11-16 पर एक ट्रायम्फ नाइट्स.
नंबर 3 पर आए हैं नूतन गोयल.
Rhythm बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. That's a lovely pickup stroke. We were talking about Nuthan Goyal. Wide long on for 4. Oh, lovely ram shot over the wicket keeper set for 4. How beautifully he played that. What improvisation over there. Beautifully played. Down the wicket, goes over the top. He's got the distance. Yes, back, super sick. But this time Akhil Helwalkar goes after it. And he's taken right on the long on boundary. Judged it well to perfection, he did. Beautiful take. Akhil Helwalkar out for 5, 36 for 2. So Sky has descended onto the Wankhede Stadium. The big man walks in, Surya Kumar Yadav. Oh, once again, little bit upish. And that full carry down to the cover boundary for 4. This time he punches it. What a glorious square drive for 4. And this time he goes over the top. He's got the distance over mid-wicket.
मुझे लगा था कि maybe it has lobbed to that fielder on fine leg. सूर्य कुमार यादव फिर से गए घुटने पे.
आगे आकर खेल दिया इस गेंद को नूतन ने सीधा डगआउट में,
और यहाँ पर जड़ दिया स्वीप सामने फ्रंट ऑफ स्क्वायर.
राउंड विकेट आए, सूर्य ने उसको घुमा दिया है और इस आखिरी बॉल पर मिलेगा चौका.
The game in their hands, so let's best hope.
I'm sure all the fans as well feel what you are feeling, but talking about the campaign,
ओ बड़ा शॉट घुमाने का प्रयास था, क्या बाहरी किनारा लगा है और इज इट अ बाय? ऑल आईज ऑन पश्चिम पाठक, दैट्स अ 4। इस चौके के साथ सूर्य कुमार यादव कंप्लीट्स 650 इन 21 T20 मुंबई मैचेस। व्हाट अ नॉक सूर्य कुमार यादव।
देखिए बार बार हम देख रहे हैं वापस फील्ड का उपयोग कर रहे हैं, गैप्स का उपयोग कर रहे हैं।
Change in bowling. Rohan Raze comes in. Nutan plays it fine. The ball's traveling fine. Beats shot fine. 4 runs. How does he come back with a pace-off delivery? Accepted. वो sixes night से अगर बात करें तो नुतन के 12 है और इस सिंगल के साथ नुतन गोयल has completed his half century. What a knock! It's the second of the season for Nutan Goel in just his 4th match. Goes for it, favorite Supla connects well.
लेकिन एक सफलता, फाइनली ये शतकीय साझेदारी आखिरकार टूटती है। 103 रन 63 गेंदों पे नूतन गोयल 56 of 42 and सूर्य कुमार यादव, he goes big. इरफान उमेर एक और सफलता।
Jayesh Pokare gone for 2, bowled Umair 148 for 4.
The new knight at the crease is Makran.
ये देखिए, and that's done. That's over. Backward point. Surya Yadav providing the finishing touches to a very well-made 72. What a quality knock by Surya Yadav. We've all known him to be a quality player, but this innings is special only because he not only scored the runs, he batted through the innings and helped Nutan, guided Nutan for what would be a very emphatic win for the Triumph.